Chapter 5 Introduction to MS Access. We have read before database and DBMS, advantages of a database, and what is field and what is record. Now we are going to understand what is MS Access and how to open MS Access in our computer. Now listen carefully. MS Access makes use of tables and records to store information. It is a database management system from Microsoft. It can also important data stored in other application and database. Now let us learn how MS Access 2007 application can be used. Means in MS Access we can use tables to record data and information. Okay, we are going to learn how to open or starting MS Access 2007. The various steps to start MS Access are: click on the start prompt of Windows desktop and select all program. Means first we have to click on the start button in our computer, then we have to go in the all programs. Now a cascading menu appear from where you can select Microsoft Office option. Another casing menu appear. Now select Microsoft Office Access 2007 option from this menu. So first we have to click on start button, then all program will be show, then we have to click all programs. After that we have to go in Microsoft, and from Microsoft we have to choose Microsoft Office Access 2007. You can also start MS Access by clicking on its shortcut icon on the desktop. If in your desktop you can see MS Access, then you can easily open it from clicking it. But if you can't see MS Access in our desktop, then you have to go first all program, then MS Office, then MS Office Access 2007. Now the opening screen of MS Access is called Microsoft Access Interface. Means when we open it, so first screen what we see, it's a Microsoft Access Interface. The main area of Microsoft Access Interface is divided into the following three sections. You can see this, it's our Microsoft Office Access first screen, and you can see we divided it into three parts: first, second and third. Now see, the left side display a column head template with various links in it. In this side, left side, there are so many links, and in middle section have two parts. In middle section you can see first part and second part. The top section is used to create a database. This is a blank sheet, and when you click on a blank sheet you can open the blank page. And in second sheet, in this second portion, the bottom section displays promotional information from Microsoft. It's basic information and help about Microsoft. And in the right side display a column title open recent database with more buttons. Use it. By default the area under the more button is empty. This is for previous files, which files we are already accessed. You can open it from this side. Now click on the blank database icon which is present at the top of the Microsoft Access interface to create a new database. I already told you this is a blank presentation, and when we click on it we open blank sheet. Okay, you will see a new dialog box on the right side of the opening screen window. When you need to type the file name and click on the create button as shown alongside. Means this blank presentation will be open, and you have to write the file name, and when you create, so your file will be created. You will see the database interface window of MS Access title database. First, database access 2007 Microsoft display on a top of the window as so. You can see it, database 1. It's a name of the or title of the MS Access file. Now you can see this MS Access page. Here it is Microsoft Office button, and this is quick access toolbar like save, undo, redo. This is access navigation panel, means if we have 4 files, so you can select file 1, 2, 3 according to your requirement. This is our workspace where we do our work. Now this access ribbon provides us different options like new file, create, insert, rename, and data type, etc.